Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Isn't it children? Yes. So eat healthy and stay healthy. Before moving to today's class, let us do a simple activity. First you have to stand straight and you have to raise up your hands and you have to clap 3 times. Shall we do now children? Yes. Stand up all of you and clap 3 times. Okay? Like this. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay? Shall we do again? 1, 2, 3. Okay, and again we can do 1, 2, 3. Let us move to today's class.
Okay, children. So, in our today's class, what is the lesson name? Parts of a computer. Okay. So, last week, what we have learned uses of computers, isn't it? So, in this, we are going to revise the lesson parts of a computer. Okay. So, these are our units. So before moving to today's concept, let us recall the concept which we learnt last week. Okay. So what we learnt, places where computer can be used. In that we learnt bank, a library, school, airport, railway station, hospital, and the things that computer cannot do. So these are all the concept we learnt last week. Okay. So far the first lesson, that is uses of computers, are over. Okay. So today's class we are going to see different parts of the computer. Okay. So so far we learnt what are the uses of computers, isn't it? So today we are going to learn what are all the parts that computer have. Okay. So before moving to that, let us look at this one. So these are the parts of a body, isn't it children? So we have many parts, so each part will do different functions, isn't it? So for example, by using eye we can able to see the things. Okay. And by using the hands we can take the things. Okay. Likewise the parts of a computer also do the different functions. Okay children. So we know computer is a machine which is useful to do many things. Okay. So in that first we are going to see, so you can able to see the in the picture we have different parts. In this class we are going to learn what are all the names of these parts. Okay. So first one, monitor. So this one is the monitor. So this monitor is looks like a television screen. Okay. So it will show us on the everything on the monitor. Okay. So next we have keyboard. Okay, so this one is keyboard. So you can able to see many buttons in it. So these buttons are called keys. Okay. So next we have CPU. So CPU is a full form central processing unit. Okay. So it is the brain of the computer. How brain is important in a human body, likewise in computer CPU is the most important part to work. Okay children. Next we have mouse. Okay. So mouse, it looks like this. So it may have 2 or 3 buttons. Okay. So every mouse will be provided with the mouse pad, this type of pad which is nothing but mouse pad. Okay children. So have you all understood? So these are the parts of the computer. Next we are going to see the additional parts of the computer. Okay, for our purpose. So this one is printer, which is used to take printouts. Okay children. So how it works, everything I will tell you next week. Okay. So next one we have speakers. So in TV and all we have speakers. Okay. So what is the use of the speakers? We can hear the sounds. So for computer also we may know the one use, isn't it? We can watch movies. Yes. Yes. So for that we have to hear the sound. How we will hear the sound? By attaching the speakers to the computer. Okay. So I hope you all very well know the parts of the computer now, isn't it children? Yes. Shall we again recall now once again we can tell what are the names of these parts. Okay, so this one is monitor, and this one keyboard, and this one CPU, that is central processing unit. Next one mouse. Okay, and what is this pad name called? Mouse pad. Okay, next we have printer, and next we have speakers. Okay, so next we can move to the laptop. So far we have learnt the parts of the computer. Now we are going to learn the parts of the laptop. Okay, so in this laptop, so which is TV like screen, what is that? Monitor, and many buttons are there. What is that? They are keyboard, and we will not have mouse like what we seen before. It will be inbuilt. You can use the finger to work on it, so that is nothing but touchpad, and you will be having the inbuilt CPU. Okay children, yes. So next we can move to the vocabulary words. So first one monitor, next one keyboard, next one mouse, next one CPU, next printer, next one speaker, next one laptop, and then finally touchpad. Okay, what's the spelling of monitor? MONITOR. What's the spelling of keyboard? KEY, keyboard. BOARD, board. Okay, keyboard. Next one we have mouse. What's the spelling? MOUSE. Next one CPU. Next one printer, PRINTER. Next one speaker, SPEAKER. Next one laptop, LAPTOP. Next one touchpad, TOUCHPAD. Pad, touchpad. Okay, and you may have the activity. You have to write the names of the parts shown below. Okay, so next, totally 6 I have given. You have to see the picture and fill the names of the parts. Okay, I hope today's class was very useful. So at last what we have learnt, ma? So we have learned the concept of different parts of the computer. Okay, so I hope today's class was very useful and interesting. Let you see you on the next topic on next week. Okay, thank you students.